Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the brand new Ford Transit Trend. It's the L2H2 in magnetic grey. It's the 130 PS option. Let's take a look around. And the first thing you notice with the new Trend in the Transit range, it's got these LED daytime running lights that surround the headlights. Really nice styling feature. This is also, being the Trend, doesn't have the body coloured bumpers that you can get on the new Transit Limited. However, with this being the magnetic one, it lends itself quite nicely to a nice look on the front there, with the bumpers being grey as well. Now in the back of the Trend, you'll notice the Ford Easy Clean floor there. It's got the LED lights option, a very handy feature. It's also got the interior protection, which a lot of people do get ply lining, and you can put ply lining in its place. However, this is very high quality protection, and that's from the factory itself. Another very good option in this van. Now the most notable feature when you come inside the driver's cabin is obviously the 8-inch Sync 3 touch screen that you may be familiar with from the Transit Custom. They put it into the new Transit for this year, and what a difference it makes. You control the front and rear parking sensors from on there. You've got your DAB radio and your Bluetooth connectivity. It's also works with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so any of the apps you get on your phone, things like Google Maps or Apple Maps, all the music and everything as well, can be mirrored on this screen. A very handy feature. We've also got in this van cruise control, controlled there by the buttons on the steering wheel, as well as the volume controls for your media. On the other side, you can flick through your trip computer, various options on the menu screen in front of you down there. You can also control your phone calls and your voice control from there, so no need to take your hands off the steering wheel. As with the Transit range, got all kinds of storage options and cubbies. There's also USBs and 12-volt chargers seemingly all over this van for plugging your phone into. There's also some more storage up there. Underneath the passenger seat as well, there is storage on a load-through hatch through the bulkhead for any slightly longer articles you may be carrying. So that is the very stylish and brand new for 2019 Ford Transit Trend. As I say, this one's in the magnetic grey. It's the 130 PS L2H2 version of the van. It's a cracking looking van, really good van. If you need any more information on this vehicle, want to arrange a test drive or get any quotes off us, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.